Hey, welcome back to the next episode. In this series, we are learning how to create beautiful websites using an Android phone. You don't need a laptop. We're doing everything on your Android phone. So, this was the file that we created. Okay, just a second. All right, open a file. So you need to go here and you need to go to, so basically let me show you. I clicked open file and one second, let me close this, open a file. Now yeah, you can come down and then you can click this index and it will open the file which you had saved earlier. Okay, first of all, we need to do a couple of things. Let's go ahead and create a folder. Now you scroll and wherever you find your file manager, go to your file manager and you can come to this folder symbol, click on that, and this is my internal shared storage. um, you, you may also have an external shared storage. It is your choice which one you want to use. I'm currently using the internal shared storage. So over here, this is where you can find the file. This is the file we are working on. Okay, so first of all, let me go ahead and delete this. Right, so now go ahead and create a folder here in this space. If you click here, there's there are three tiny dots over here at your extreme top, and over there click create folder and let's name that as web designing. Okay, we click OK, and now let's move this file. See, it's come up over here. Let's move this file here. Let's move this file over here. Okay, so there's no file here, so click, select this and click this button, send, and copy to, and see here you can see internal shared storage. Click there. Let's come down, click here web design, and there you can see the paste option there, icon. So click it, so we have it here. So let's go ahead and delete this to avoid duplication. Now let's go back to this file and we click, yeah, right. So now when we click here, we have this file. We may have issues in this because we've changed the position where the file was. So let me go here, open a file. Now let me come down, click here web designing. I clicked add, open a file. I've come down, I've clicked web designing, index file, and now it's open. Now you won't have any issues. Okay, so now today we are going to learn how to add an image to your website. So the website we created last time was looking, the end product looked like this. Okay, okay, because we moved the file, it's showing an error. Okay, not to worry. Let's find, okay, we'll close this one. Okay, now this one, if you play, yes, there you are. This is what we did last time. So now let's move on. Now let's go ahead to the website and download a cat. Cat is a favorite pet animal for me, so whichever one you want to download, feel free to do so. Yeah, So go to images, and then from there select one of the cute cats that you can find there. Okay, so my net is a bit slow, so it's taking a little time. Let me try again. Right, so let me go ahead. Okay, I like this image here. So now you need to press hard, and then you get this option to download the image. So go ahead and download the image. By default, the image would be stored here. Yeah, one second, let's take it from here. Yeah, it's over here. You can open it and you can say copy to. Now, very important, you need to go to internal shared storage and the web designing folder that we created. Over here, we can create one more. Uh, yeah, you could paste it. Yeah, create one folder and let's name this as img. And inside that, you can paste the cat. Now we want to rename this cat, so I'll select that, go here, I go and rename that as cat, cat, cat. All right, so I'm sure you know the spelling. Why am I spelling it out? uh, right, so let's go and see now if we have the image. So if we go into the folder web designing image, here we have. Okay, fantastic, now it will work. Now we go back to our HTML page, and below this h2 I want to insert this image. So start with the opening tag img, that is short form for image. src stands for source. So where is the source? So we need to give is equal to and double quotes. And since we have created a folder called img, so we have to type that backslash and then our file name, which is cat dot jpg. You have to be very careful here. It should be, since the first letter was capital, so you have to spell it in that same manner. All right, so it's done. So now let's go ahead and save this and let's see what happens. Wow, we have the beautiful cat looking into us. Okay, so probably you may not want such a big image, it's taking up the entire space. So let's see what we can do about it. Okay, so we go back here. Here we can give an alternate text. So you need to put equal sign, and in double quotes you need to mention whatever you want to say, a beautiful cat. This is just in case if the image does not upload. So this is the text that will be displayed to the end user. A beautiful cat. Let's have capital B there. Okay, so now let's see, let's save it. Now it won't be visible because the cat is there, so it would not make much of a difference. Just a second, something wrong with this. Okay, I didn't close this. Yeah, that's the problem. So now it's not showing because the image is visible here. So but in case if the browser is not able to detect the image or it has any problem uploading the image, it will show the text. It's a good practice to always use an alternate text. So instead of the image, the text will be displayed. Now let's set up the width property. I think 400 will be 400 pixel would be a good width to go with, and let's try with 300 first. Okay, so let's try 300 space, and then height I want to give 250. So right, so we've set the width as 300 pixel and the height as 250, height as 250. Okay, now let's save this and let's see what happens. There you are. Now if you see that the image is slightly less than the text, so let's increase the width so that it matches with that. Let me try 400 this time. Okay, so I put 400 width and 250 as the height. Let me save it, and there you are. Now it's looking quite pretty, isn't it? Okay, now how about having some text below the cat to tell the user what it is? Although the user will know it's a cat, but what you want to say. So let's create a div element, and over here I say the same thing, a beautiful cat. Now let me close this div element. Right, now let's save it, and now let's play it. There you are. So the cat, the text is looking okay, but how come if how about changing this into a bold font? Oh, that look good, right? So let's go ahead and do that. So again, opening tag strong, and then closing strong tag. Okay, let me save it now and let me play it. Okay, there you are. It looks awesome, ain't it? Yeah, so there you are. We've come to the end of this session. So if you've not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Do like, press the bell icon for future notifications, and share it with your friends who can also gain these skills, and leave your valuable comments. Bye till next video. Bye now.